Let's go. My camera's finally not dirty anymore. Honestly, that kind of looks like a tornado cloud.
Where?
The entire thing. It looks like what would form a tornado whenever that thing comes straight under us. Oh, it's almost here. Almost right over
Uh-oh,
us.
here comes wind.
Oh, yep. I can see the wind. It's getting windy.
And the bird's going off.
Yep, birds flying off.
I'm starting to think that is a tornado.
Same. Oh, this is not good. Oh, you can see kind of like the trees just swaying. Fell. Oh my god! The tree's back there.
Bro.
Oh, here comes the wind. Why does it look like it's kind of red?
That looks like a tornado right there.
I know. Oh, that does look like one. Ooh. Ooh. It's making wind. God. Holy leaves flying off the trees. Well, something's going on.
Yeah,
Oh, look at that tree.
you can never know. There could be a tornado right behind the tree.
Yep.
It would be so good.
Yep.
No.
That was something falling, for sure.
That's bad, bro. All you gotta do is hide under that thing. I can see.
Yeah, but
Nah.
scary under there at night. Oh, here we go. Vending machine too. It's all blowing.
I think this hottest storm we ever had in a little bit.
Okay, it's like over here, mainly. It's gotten so much darker since it was here, since it wasn't here. And now it's getting really windy.
Oh god.
Oh god, there's leaves everywhere.
I can feel a lot of stuff like falling out there.
Yeah, I can feel a lot of stuff just flying on me. Good god.
If I can't funnel, I'm gone, bro.
Oh, please.